Hello, John Kras here again, working on part 6, the shaping of the hollow wooden surfboard. The first thing I do every day before I start shaping is I sharpen the tools. The tools I use for this procedure up top is the spoke shave and then a small block plane, followed by the bottom one is a hand plane. The first tool I'm going to use is the large hand plane so I can take a lot of the side rails down to get the start of the shape. Here I'm just really shaping in this part the side rails and the nose and the tail. The shape of the board, the rest of the shape of the decking, and the concave and convex bottom is shaped by the frame on a wooden surfboard. You may notice I keep on placing that bag on top of the surfboard. That's there. It's a shot bag filled with lead shot that it keeps the board from moving around as you shape the board. Here are the shaping guides that were provided with the frame kit I got from Grain Surfboards. They really help in shaping the surfboard. You measure from the top of the tip of the surfboard back, and on each part of the gauge there's measurements, and that's where you check to see if you are forming the shape of the rail that the guide provides. The stand that I've been using is called a surfer's shaping stand. I had some leftover tubing I welded up to make the actual supports. And then my friend gave me an old 2x12 that I used for the spreader, and I made two legs for that as well. Then I went to the dollar store and got some pool noodles and used that so it wouldn't scratch the board up. I will have a little short video later on showing how I welded that up. Here's a freeze frame of the guide in action. My last step here is I'm doing some final sanding. I use the light so you could really see where the shape is and where I need to sand. This is the final step before I finish the board with the glassing. Thanks again for watching. I hope you tune in to part 7. And if you really like the video series so far, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks again.